welcome to my channel and hit the notification bell in order for you to be updated. And also don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Every time I train myself because of you. If you wanna be in my way because of me, the stars were shining to me away, whispering, I want you to know you're my world. Every time I'm crazy, it's because of you. If you're looking right in me because of love, to me it's a
Touchdown to Narita Airport, Japan. Thank you, Lord. Guys, hi! Andito na kami sa Narita Airport, guys. Kadadaratingan namin. Si Honey, nauna na ng konti sa akin. Yan, masaya din siya kasi napakaganda nung aming biyahe. Wow! Honey, wait!
every time I train myself because of you. If you wanna be in my way because of me, the stars were shining to me.
Nandito na kami sa labas ng airport ng Narita. Ayan, napakalinis. At na-meet na namin ang aming tour guide. Ayan. Yan ang dalawang tour guide namin. Pa? Para ka ng parahan niya. Parang ikaw yung ano ah. Ano to, Pilipinas lang. Ipasok ko na. Ito sa akin. This one, wow, laki ng bus.
Minibus.
Wow! Napaka-relaxing ang aming room. Ayan. What is the Grand Prince Hotel in Takanawa, Tokyo, Japan ay 5-star hotel. Ayan. Napakalinis. Talagang pang 5-star talaga siya, guys. Yan, pinakita ko sa inyo guys bago namin dumihan ang aming room. Yan, mula dito lalabas tayo sa balcony. Ayan, para makita natin. Ayan. Wow! Nandito kami guys sa 12 palapag. Yan, napakaganda ng struktura nila guys. At napakalawak. Ayan, mayroon silang mga swimming pool, that is the entrance. Ayan, napakaganda. What is nung dumating kami dito guys ay 20 degrees Celsius tayo.